All right, let's make some grilled chicken risotto using this Allegro Black Pepper Marinade.
About 4 cups of chicken stock.
We're gonna take some rosemary and some thyme. We got some poultry seasoning we're gonna sprinkle on it. We've got some onion and about 5 cloves of garlic. Once these have cooked down for a couple of minutes, we're gonna add our rice. We're gonna cook this together for about 2 to 3 minutes until the rice starts to turn a little bit translucent. Add a little bit of white wine. At this point, we're gonna go ahead and season it. Some salt and pepper. All right, at this point, we're gonna ladle in our first cup of this chicken stock. We're gonna add a dab of butter and about a cup of Parmesan cheese. Take our risotto. There you have it, grilled chicken with risotto.